Hello and welcome to a brand new model review here on James Bonnet Photography and Models. This time round we have got a brand new product by, if that can focus, Oxford Rail, which is a division of Oxford Diecast. And this is their first passenger carriage that they've created, and it is a Stobart Pullman carriage for the late Stobart Pullman train, which used to be a charter service which operated between up to about 2013, I think it was, from about 2009. Operated for a few years. Quite popular service, run by direct rail services, like all the trains used to be. And yeah, so what is it about this model then? It is Oxford Rail, as I said, double O gauge railways, it says in their logo, in pursuit of excellence. Code is OR763FO004, and it is a Mark III coach. So, Mark 3a FO Stobart Rail 11013. Whether that code means anything to any of you rail enthusiasts. Now the box is quite plain. It's like one of the earlier and one of the modern Hornby boxes actually in design. So let me take this out of the box and give it a good review. So it comes in this like plastic which wraps around the entire model, which is like what they use for the car transporter model. You get a little bag with some coupling things with an instruction sheet. Oh, they're air brake pipes. Please install these air brake pipes onto the buffer beam area at each end. And you lift the tab here and open up the packaging. It's wrapped in these bits of plastic each end. And here we have the plastic model that runs really well actually. I know there's no track there, but still. And we've got white door either end, and in that white door we have, if you pick it up, the Direct Rail Services logo, and then the rest of the train is in dark blue with a whitish light blue Stobart S emblem going to either direction, and then in the middle of the carriage in white writing highlighted in red we have the Stobart brand. Get the packaging out of the way, and it's the same on the other side. So on the end here we've got detailing of the door and of the rubber seal thing that connects the two together. Detailing of the buffers. Got some more brake line in there, I presume. We've got the connection there for towing it. It's code C3 on the side there, and they've got some detailing of further information and some warning emblems about being on the roof for health and safety reasons. Really well detailed little model this. There's not much other detailing to it. They've sort of blocked out the bottom, which is a real shame. But then again, I'm not quite sure how the real one looked, having only seen it in photos. I never actually saw this one. The camera's not picking it up, but there is detailing of the seats and tables inside. It is a shame it is a purely plastic model. The only metal item on it is the bogies. And it's a very, very good detailed thing for what it is. Alright, for rolling stock, I'd order quite a few of these if you actually wanted to recreate the Stobart Pullman itself, and there is a Direct Rail Services Hornby model out, so you could have a train to pull it as well. Although I have actually got up there a Stobart Pullman train. I think it was a code 3, and that was from Hatton's. This itself I bought from Hatton's. It is £29. That's without your delivery charge on top. And they give me a fun little summer 2019 brochure with more trains in it. I shan't be buying any more because I have no need for more. And I also got a poster with the title Train Informations thing on it. Open it. It's a full size poster. It just shows you. I'm showing it off camera to myself here. Just formations of trains with their rolling stock. It's I won't be sharing that with you guys because that's the first time I've actually looked at that as well. Very, very good product from Oxford Rail. First item as well that I bought from Oxford Rail. I recommend them. Well, just like I recommend all the Oxford diecast products, really. And of course, this stuff can only get better now. Of course, the Oxford diecast, the parent company, own Corgi and Hornby, so it's only going to get better from now on. I just hope the price doesn't start shooting up, because it tends to be what happens when anyone gets in charge of the majority of everything. Now in the UK, you technically only, well, apart from you really small companies, you technically only got one company now. They've got different brands, but you've only got one company that's running it, the modelling scene. So thank you very much for watching another model review here on James Bonnet Photography and Models. I hope you really enjoyed the Stobart Pullman express carriage here in Stobart / DRS livery. I'll be back next time with another model. Might be a little Nissan Qashqai from Oxford Diecast, I'm not sure, it depends what comes next in the post. Because I've got a few on order, but there's not many. Or I might do, if you want me to, review a model from my collection. But I'm not quite sure what to review if I did do that. Anyway, see you next time guys, and I'll be at Peterborough Truck Fest on the 5th of May 2019, so if you see me, say hello. I'm planning to meet up with a few of the YouTubers as well, like G-Bowler, Videography, Trucking Fan, Alex Fricker, and also Stavros969, hopefully. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time, and I'll see you soon.